right? Find the composition of a function and an inverse. It's actually not the inverse of that function, but you remember how do you say this to yourself? Yeah, what's the cosine when the tangent equals negative 2/5? Okay, well, what quadrant would we be in if the tangent equals negative 2/5? Understanding what we do about how we've defined the tangent and the arctangent. It's got to be the fourth quadrant, right? So I draw myself a picture. The fourth quadrant, angles with the x-axis, and I know the tangent is negative 2/5. How can I label these sides? Negative 2 and 5, right? So make sure you got to get the sign correct. That negative just shows in front of the fraction. You got to understand it must go with the y because it's below the middle, right? And then you have to find this, right? We'll call r. R is the square root of 5 squared plus negative 2 squared. R equals square root of 29. Because tangent is in first or fourth. If it's negative, it must be fourth. Tangent is positive in the first quadrant. Okay, now we can answer the question. What is the cosine? Adjacent over hypotenuse. 5 over the square root of 29. Correct. Because tangent is always in either the first or the fourth quadrant. When it's a negative, it's got to be in the fourth. When it's a positive, it's in the first. Right, but when we defined our inverse functions, we said we have to limit the domain of tangent when we use inverses. Otherwise, it wouldn't pass a horizontal line test. So we're really only between negative 90 and positive 90 degrees, or negative pi over 2 and pi over 2.